Jessica Biel is an actress, model, and producer. She first did stage and theatre work, then went to commercials and modeling, and finally made it to TV movies and series. Jessica Biel began her TV acting career in the 1990s. Early life. Jessica Claire Biel was born in LA City, Minnesota, United States on March 3, 1982. Her father, Jonathan Edward Biel, is a business consultant and entrepreneur that works at the General Electric Company, and her mother is Kimberly Biel. Jessica Biel's brother Justin Biel was born in 1985 and he is an entrepreneur. Jessica Biel was grown and raised in 4 places because her family moved frequently. First in Texas, followed by Connecticut and Woodstock City in the Illinois, and finally in Boulder, Colorado. Jessica Biel studied at the Firewall High School and later went to the Tufts University. Jessica Biel married the singer, songwriter and actor Justin Timberlake in 2012. After 4 to 5 years of being together and after 11 months of engagement, Jessica and Justin gave birth to one son. His name is Silas Randall Timberlake and he was born in 2015. Prior to her love for Justin Timberlake, she had relationships with the actor Chris Evans, actor Adam Lovergana, and with the retired baseball shortstop Dirk Jeter. Age, height and weight. Being born on 3 March 1982, Jessica Biel is 39 years old as of today's date, 20th November 2021. Her height is 1.7 meter tall and her weight is 58 kg. Career. Jessica Biel was first going to be a vocal singer. She performed in musical theatre and stage work including Beauty and the Beast and The Sound of Music. After that, around 1993, Jessica Biel competed in a modeling competition by the IMTA. She did commercial for Pringles chips and for Deluxe paints. Awards and achievements. Jessica Biel has received a total of 5 awards winning and she is expected to win more in 2018. She won the Young Artist Award for Best Performances in a Feature Film, supporting young actors for Alice Gold movie. Newport Beach Film Festival Award for Outstanding Achievement in Filmmaking Acting for the Illusionist movie and the Ashland Independent Film Award for Best Acting Ensemble feature for The Truth About Emmanuel Jessica Biel's other awards including the Rising Star Award and the Showest Award for Female Star of Tomorrow. Net worth of salary of Jessica Biel in 2021. As of November 2021, Jessica Biel's estimated net worth is probably more than $20 million. Her fortune and net worth have been increasing due to the TV movies and series she has been successful starring on. Jessica Biel has appeared in many high-grossing movies, and she is one of the actor and producer of a new series titled The Sinner. Her husband, Justin Timberlake, has a net worth of $230 million. Jessica Biel is one of the most loved to watch female actresses. She is still kind of young as she is expected to have plenty of movies and series in the upcoming years. However, Jessica Biel has scored many high-grossing movies throughout her career. Jessica Biel is married to Justin Timberlake. They have one son and they are happily living together.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And